This is the 11-foot Rockaway SP surf rod by Okuma. It was meant originally for sea perching off California to Oregon, but here in Hawaii this is a great whipping rod, meaning a spinning rod, and this is a really lightweight, powerful combo.
Okay, so this reel here is the 5000 Inspira ISX is rated for 295 yards at 10 pound. So right here I got, let me see, I got some 15, 12, 10, and 8. That can all go on it, but I'm going to stick to what they're rated at, which is 295 yards of 10 pound test mono. So that's what I'm going with.
This will take me roughly about 3.5 minutes to spool on the 10-pound monofilament line from soft steel.
There you go, all spooled on to my Okuma Inspira 5000. Put on a bunch of 10-pound test mono from soft steel. All right. And I used my fish on spooler.
Look at that Gomexus 38mm power knob. That really kicks this off. That makes it look so great.
Check it out. This is how it looks. All rear grip, no foregrip. I just spooled on line on my new Inspira 5000 on 10-pound mono. Should have roughly about 300 yards on it.
This is definitely one of my most beautiful, attractive rigs that I've ever owned. I love this.